Web testing is the name given to software testing that focuses on web applications. Complete testing of a web-based system before going live can help address issues before the system is revealed to the public. Issues such as the security of the web application, the basic functionality of the site, its accessibility to handicapped users and fully able users, as well as readiness for expected traffic and number of users and the ability to survive a massive spike in user traffic, both of which are related to load testing. Web Application Performance Tool. A web application performance tool is used to test web applications and web-related interfaces. These tools are used for performance, load and stress testing of web applications, websites, web API, web servers and other web interfaces. WAPT tends to simulate virtual users which will repeat either recorded URLs or specified URL and allows the users to specify number of times or iterations that the virtual users will have to repeat the recorded URLs. By doing so, the tool is useful to check for bottleneck and performance leakage in the website or web application being tested. A WAPT faces various challenges during testing and should be able to conduct tests for browser compatibility, operating system compatibility, Windows application compatibility where required. WAPT allows a user to specify how virtual users are involved in the testing environment, either increasing users or constant users or periodic users load. Increasing user load, step by step, is called RAMP, where virtual users are increased from 0 to hundreds. Constant user load maintains specified user load at all time. Periodic user load tends to increase and decrease the user load from time to time. Web security testing. Web security testing tells us whether web-based applications' requirements are met when they are subjected to malicious input data. Web application security testing plugin collection for Firefox, HTTPS add-ons Mozilla org Firefox. Testing the user interface of web applications. Some frameworks give a toolbox for testing web applications. Open source web testing tools, Apache JMeter, Java program for load testing and performance measurement. Curl Loader, C written powerful tool for load testing in different scenarios. Selenium, suite of tools for automating web browsers. Available in many languages. Water, web automation testing in Ruby for automating web browsers. Windows-based web testing tools. CSE HTML Validator, Test HTML, XHTML, CSS, Accessibility. Software from AI Internet Solutions LLC, HP LoadRunner, Automated Performance and Load Testing Software from HP, HP Quick Test Professional, Automated Functional and Regression Testing Software from HP. IBM Rational Functional Tester, NeoLoad, Load and Performance Testing Tool from Notice. SOTIST, API Testing Tool from Parasoft, Rhinorex, Automated Cross-Browser Functional Testing Software from Rhinorex. Silk Performer, Performance Testing Tool from Borland. Silk Test, Automation Tool for testing the functionality of enterprise applications. Test Complete, Automated Testing Tool, developed by Smart Bear Software. Testing Anywhere, automation testing tool for all types of testing from Automation Anywhere. Test Studio, software testing tool for functional web testing from Telric. WebLoad, load testing tool for web and mobile applications, from RadView Software. Cloud-based testing tools, BlazeMeter, a commercial, self-service load testing platform as a service, which is fully compatible with open-source Apache JMeter, the performance testing framework by the Apache Software Foundation. Blitz, load and performance testing of websites, mobile, web apps and REST APIs. Sosta, a provider of cloud-based testing solutions, and created the industry's first browser-based website testing product. Website tests include load testing, software performance testing, functional testing and user interface testing. TestDroid, Smoke, compatibility and functional testing of websites, mobile, and web apps on real Android and iOS devices. See also: software performance testing, software testing, web server benchmarking. References. Further reading: Hung Nguyen, Robert Johnson, Michael Hackett, Testing Applications on the Web, Test Planning for Mobile and Internet-Based Systems ISBN 0-471-20100-6, James A. Whitaker, How to Break Web Software, Functional and Security Testing of Web Applications and Web Services, Addison Wesley Professional, February 2, 2006. ISBN 0-321-36944-0. Lydia Ash, The Web Testing Companion, The Insider's Guide to Efficient and Effective Tests, Wiley, May 2, 2003. ISBN 0-471-43021-8, S. Sampath, A. Bryce, Gokulan and Viswanath, Vani Kandamula, A. Guns Kuru. Prioritizing User Session-Based Test Cases for Web Applications Testing. Proceedings of the International Conference on Software Testing, Verification, and Validation, Lillehammer, Norway, April 2008. An empirical approach to testing web applications across diverse client platform configurations by Sintrika Eaton and Atif M. Memon. International Journal on Web Engineering and Technology, Special Issue on Empirical Studies in Web Engineering, Volume 3, Number 3, 2007, pages 227-253, Indescience Publishers.